In today's video, I am going to teach you how to reorder tasks in Microsoft Planner. To begin, open Microsoft Planner in your browser and go to the plan you want to work in. From the left side or your list of plans, select the area labeled Project Management. This takes you into the board view where your tasks appear as cards in columns, sometimes called buckets. Next, click on the task card you want to reorder. When the card is highlighted, it means Planner has selected it and you are ready to move it. If you are working with a mouse, you can simply click directly on the card so it becomes active. If you use a keyboard, you can press the Tab key until you land on the correct task card. Now click on Planning. This opens the Task Details view for the selected card. This view is useful because it gives you more control and makes it easier to move a task without accidentally opening or editing other parts of the board. While you are in Planning, keep in mind the keyboard tips shown in Planner. You can use the left and right arrow keys to move through important task information. Press Enter to open all task details. Most importantly, for reordering, you can use Ctrl plus the up arrow and Ctrl plus the down arrow to move the task position. This is a quick way to rearrange tasks within the same list order without dragging. After that, click on the task again so it is clearly highlighted. This is important because the move options apply to the currently selected task. If the wrong card is highlighted, you could end up moving the wrong task. With the correct task selected, click Move Right. This shifts the task to the column on the right, which is helpful when your workflow is set up from left to right, such as moving work from To Do into In Progress. Then click to highlight a task again, especially if you are adjusting multiple items. Finally, click Move Left to send the highlighted task back to the column on the left. This is useful for correcting mistakes or returning work to an earlier stage. Take your time and confirm the correct task is highlighted each time before you move it left or right. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.